Good afternoon to all of you. Good morning to all of you on this auspicious occasion of Ambedkar Jayanti. So this is only one occasion, but today other important occasions also on the same day. We have Mona Sankranti and Hanuman Jayanti as well as Oriya Navavarsh Day. So from this day onwards, our new Panji will be prepared, Oriya Panji will be prepared. So first I will just give a glimpse on Mona Sankranti. Mona Sankranti is our teacher has already told the festive importance of Mona Sankranti. We enjoy the festival by drinking Mona. That means this Mona is necessary for quenching our thirst. So the introduction or the coming of Mona Sankranti, the festival of Mona Sankranti marks the coming of summer season. That we have already experienced the presence of summer season. Every day we are experiencing scorching sunlight. So first thing today, on this auspicious occasion, I express my hearty thanks to all of you for Mona Sankranti, and I wish all the students and staff members to be happy and stay healthy and peaceful. So this is my best wishes to all the students and staff members on the occasion of Mona Sankranti. So by drinking Mona, we will quench our thirst. Our maths in charge, Sarita Madam, has already prepared Mona. All arrangements have been done. I think she has done because I was asking the catering assistant sir. He told, yes sir, we are arranging for Mona. So this will be served to you. Second thing is Hanuman Jayanti. What is the importance of Hanuman Jayanti? Hanuman is, generally we believe, Hanuman is a living God, immortal God. Why I am saying immortal? All gods are immortal. But Hanuman is the only God who has taken birth as a human being like us or as a monkey like us. Our religion believes that Hanuman is still a living. Generally, a living being, once a living being is born on earth, is bound to die. But by getting the blessing from Mother Sita and Lord Rama, he has become immortal. Another thing is that he is the incarnation, he is considered as the incarnation of Lord Shiva. That is why Shiva never dies. Shiva is the only one God who never dies. Others die, but he never dies. That is about the spiritual, traditional or spiritual value of Hanuman. But what is the symbolic importance of Hanuman Jayanti? We should discuss about it. Hanuman means a symbol of strength and punctuality, discipline, devotion to honor. So he was a strong or a faithful or loyal, devout or devotee, you may say, whatever you may say, of Lord Rama. The Lord Rama was a human being. Our history says, or our mythology says, Rama was the king of, first the prince of Ajodhya and then became the king of Ajodhya. Whatever it is, but the symbolic thing is that we should be disciplined, we should be punctual, and we should obey rules and regulations, because all the rules and regulations are only for us. If we obey rules and regulations, then we can maintain discipline, and if we maintain discipline, this will lead to our academic prosperity. So this is essential for us. And another thing is physical fitness regarding Hanuman. So he is a symbol of physical fitness. Hanuman was a yogi. Early in the morning, he was doing yoga. That is why he maintained physical fitness. You are also maintaining physical fitness, are you or not? Most of the students are playing. It is good for our health. But due to scorching sunlight, when the sun ray becomes hot or hotter day by day with the passing of rain, if sunlight comes and it is unbearable for us to tolerate, then try to expose it. Early in the morning, during morning PT period, you can do any exercise. You can play, you can do yoga, whatever you can do. But once sharp sunlight comes or intense sunlight comes, avoid playing under acute sunlight, because this will be harmful for your health. So this is regarding your Hanuman Jayanti and the Pora Sankranti. Then I will come to Ambedkar Jayanti. So all the students and sub teachers, for English have already told about the Ambedkar, the importance of Ambedkar Jayanti. Ambedkar was not a human being, because Ambedkar has died, and I am sharing my view before you. I may die, all will die. Nobody is immortal. Okay, we cannot equal with Hanuman. So that is mythological thing. But as we are living beings, we are bound to die. But only one thing never dies. That is your karma. Your karma never dies. This karma will make you alive throughout your life. And this happened in the case of Dr. Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar. So he was a Masiha for the destitute, particularly the SC and ST people. Because when he was born, at that time, our society was dominated by high caste people. I am not saying anything about caste, but this is not necessary. What is more important for us is about how to fight against any kind of odd situation of our life. Because our life is not full of roses. Now your life is full of roses. You think like this. Because you are students, if you go to market, if you ask the grocer or the cleaner, what is the price of 1 kg of potato or 1 kg of tomato or 1 kg of rice or 1 kg of wheat? You can easily understand what is the cost of one meal. And our Samiti is providing you money, whatever, 70 rupees, per head 70 rupees is being provided to you. And if you go to market, hey, please listen to me. If you go to market and purchase one meal, then hedge meal, the cost will be around 70, not less than 70. So with this amount of money, for Another thing is, why I told you, this is regarding how to face challenges of your life.